Good evening all. Myself Ms. Arpita, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear students, in the last class we have completed with the conjunction chapter. We'll move on to a new chapter for your syllabus, that is jumbled word. Okay, chapter name is jumbled word. Jumbled word. Very easiest chapter where you can score out of it and you will be like this chapter. Why? Because it is like playing. Very easiest concept where you can get 100 marks. Let us see what does mean by jumble word and how to solve it. Okay, jumble word jumble word are the words. Jumble word are the words or the words that are given that are given that are given in random that are given in random. Okay, general words are the words that are given in the random. Okay, that are given in the random order, but in arrangement in arrangement in arrangement they form a they form a they form a they form a meaningful sentence. They form a meaningful sentence. Okay, they form a meaningful sentence. See, what is the definition of the jumble word? Jumble words are the words that are given random order, but in arrangement they form a meaningful words. They are the form of random words. When we arrange them in a following, they will form some meaningful sentence. Okay, for example, okay, happy the boys the boys very are. This is your jumbled form. Okay, this is your jumbled form. This is your jumbled form. You have to arrange them. Okay, you have to arrange them. After arrangement, what will happen? The boys are the boys are the boys are very happy. The boys are very happy. This is called as after arrangement. This is what I have said, after arrangement. Look at that, the definition. What is the definition there? The words that are given in random. Okay, happy, boy, these are all called as they have given in the random. This doesn't make a complete sentence or a meaningful sentence. After rearranging, we will be onto your correct and meaningful sentence. This is about your jumble word. Okay, this is just a definition of your jumble word. Next, we'll move on to a question and answer session. It is just to know what is the definition of jumble word and how to solve it. Okay, I'll solve with a few examples. Okay, question number 1. Okay, go to go to this is A. This is A. Okay, they shall, it is B. It is B. Village, it is C. It is D. For a weekend, it is D. It is D. Guys, what is this? See, it is A, option A. This is B and this is C. The words is C and D. Okay. Now, the options are given by A, C, B, D. Option B, it is given by B, C, D, B, A. Option C is given by B, A, C, D. And option D is given by B, D, A, C. Ma'am, how to solve this? See, this one, these are the options. Okay, you have to arrange this one in the particular order and you have to tick the correct answer. How to do this now? C, option C. What is the answer? First one, B. Okay, they shall. Next, A word, go to. They shall go to. C, village. For a weekend. For a weekend. This is how we have to form. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. See, this is how to follow this. First, they will give the sentence. This are called as, we have to arrange this first. Okay, we have to arrange this first in a particular line, and it will be a meaningful sentence. Before arranging, it will be not a particular meaning. After arranging, it will be in a meaningful sentence. You have to arrange it. The first step is to, you have to arrange it, and you have to choose among the given option. See, the first option A, go to village. C, B, they shall. No, right? We, after choosing, read the questions twice, read the sentence twice, check whether it is make a meaningful sentence or not. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Understood? Yes. Take down the next one. See, second one, with the, it is A. Okay. Were happy, it is B. Okay. Holiday plan, it is C. Holiday plan, it is C. The children, it is D. The children, it is D. This is how we have to answer. And your options are given by option A, it is D, B, A, C. Option B, it is given by B, C, D, A. Option C, it is given by A, C, D, B. Option D, it is C, A, P, D. Okay, how to with the, were happy, this one. Okay, how to first form, learn the sentence which is one. We'll go with option A now. See, D, the children, arrange it, the children's. Okay, B. Next, B, what is B now? Were happy, the children's were happy with the holiday, with the holiday, with the holiday. Does it make a complete sentence and meaningful sentence? Yes. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Just we have to rearrange them in a given order. See, this one we have to rearrange it first, and we have to compare with your options, and we have to compare with your option. After comparing, therefore, option A is the correct answer. Yes, take down. Is it understood? Yes, we'll move on to the next question. The next question is, we expect A, and then look at it is B, look at it is B, and others not to, it is C, and then or bad qualities, it is option D. It is D, arrangement D, and your options are followed by option A, it is B, C, A, D. Option B, it is C, D, B, A. Option C, it is D, B, C, A. Option D, it is A, C, D, B. This is how we have to sort. Which one? See, we expect look at others not to be our bad qualities. We'll go with option D now. See, we expect A option. We expect, and then C. Others to not to look at bad qualities, therefore which one is the answer? It makes a meaningful sentence. Therefore which one is the answer? Therefore option D is the correct answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Understood? We have to arrange this first, okay, and then we have to compare with the option. Understood this? Yes. We'll move to the next one now. Next one In the classroom, in the classroom, in the classroom A, in the classroom A, learns is B, learns is student, student. C, lesson in mind, lesson of mind. It is lesson of mind. It is D. Okay. And your options are given by option A, it is A, C, D, B. Option B, it is C, B, D, A. Option C, it is B, A, C, D. Option D, it is D, B, C, A. First, arrange the first one now. Arrange it. I'll go with option B now. Okay. Arrange it first. C, first one. The student, student, and then B, student. B, which is one B? Learns is, and then D, learn of mind, lesson of mind, lesson of mind in classroom, lesson of mind, last one in the classroom. Doesn't make a complete sentence and meaningful sentence? Yes, therefore option B, therefore option B is the correct answer. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Correct answer. Understood? Yes. Take down. Okay. The next question. The next question. Trade all. Trade all is A. A. English. Trade all English is B. Is B. Over the word. Over the word is C. And then the language of it is D. Okay. And your options are given by option A, it is DBAC. Okay. Option B, it is DBCA. Option C, it is CBAD. And option D, it is ABCD. Okay. How to arrange this? Which one is the correct answer? Can you guess now? Yes, it is option A. We'll compare now. English is the language of D. The language of English is the language of trade all A. Trade all over the word. Trade all over the word. Which one? Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Yes. This is how we have to solve a jumble word. It is not like question and answer session like in a preposition, conjunction, what we are doing. We have learning some concept and we are started to answering. This is not a chapter, just this chapter, it is chapter, but not consist of question and answers and all. Just I have shown you the example how to solve this. In this way, you have to solve all the questions from this particular topic. This is a topic, not a chapter. Hope you all understood. I think so. I'll revise once. See, jumble word is nothing but it is one of the topic in English. What is this jumble word is nothing but they will given with a word. Okay, they will give the sentence. All will be messed up. Okay, all will be messed up. So what you have to do, you have to rearrange the first sentence to make a meaningful sentence. You can ask me, ma'am, why should I rearrange that? So you have to rearrange that because to make a meaningful sentence. Then the second step is to compare with your option and take the correct answer. That's all. Very, very easiest. For this, you have to read the sentences properly. Okay. Before first starting, read the sentence once, and after concluding your answer, read the sentence once. You have to make a meaningful sentence. This is a very small concept. This is not a chapter. See, noun, pronoun and all, you will be learning some concept and you are answering. This is not a chapter. This is just a concept. Okay. Hope you all understood how to solve it. Okay. With this, I'll end my session. Okay. Thank you for attending the session. Thank you all. Bye bye. Thank you all.